Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Thursday the 26th of October, if you don't know what day of the week it is. And guys, before we start, we have reached 5,000 subs. Come on. So yeah, 5,000 subs. We want to thank everyone for all of your support, and thanks for watching the videos, our content. We really appreciate it, guys, and we couldn't do it without you making this channel what it is today. So yeah, 5,000 subs. Here's to the next 5,000. As a thank you, guys, we're giving anyone who wants it, 50% off our VIP yearly Discord membership. So that's 50% off our VIP Discord, and the offer ends Saturday, guys. All right, so if you want to take advantage of that, you've got to be quick. Yeah, and that's our way of saying thank you, guys. All right, so there you go. Let's look at yesterday's trades. First of all, let's get started. Yeah, let's look back at yesterday's trades, and let's take a look at the trade that I took yesterday. So it was euro pound. And actually, let's start with the weekly chart. So you can see on the weekly chart that this candle here broke these highs. And it actually meant that we were in an uptrend. All right, so we're starting to see higher lows. And because we got this break, we've now got higher highs. All right. So weekly, we're in an uptrend. If we go back to the day chart now, yeah, we're also in an uptrend here. So I wasn't too sure what was going to happen here. We was actually seeing price break these lows and breaking down. But since then, it has just shot up. Okay, and now we're getting, higher highs. And potentially this is the new higher low here. All right, so we're in an uptrend on the day chart. And we had this nice bullish wick. Okay, and the idea was just to take it back up to this blue line, and that's pretty much what happened. So if we drop down to the H4 now, well, actually, this is more of a H1 play. So if we drop down to the H1, and what I was looking for, guys, is, we wanted a reaction in this grey zone. Okay, but it didn't quite hit the grey zone, but it hit our bigger grey zone here. Okay, and you can see that we had all this upward momentum, but at this point, we wasn't sure what the trend was. Were we still in a H1 downtrend? But as soon as we broke these highs here, I was interested in this trade. I actually got in on the M15 chart, and let me show you. Okay, so as soon as this is that level here on the H1, as soon as we got this candle here, I entered here, yeah, and then took profit up here. Okay, and then, yeah, my stop was down here. All right, so I got my risk to reward, yeah, of 1:1. Okay, you can see that, and I've closed 80%. All right, and this is where we find ourselves with this trade currently. If we go back to the H1, like I say, pretty much just entered here, use the M15 for an entry, stop down here, take profit up here. All right, guys, so euro pound was a successful trade, and like all my trades, I put this in the VIP Discord channel, guys. All right, so yeah, check it out. Come join us. And remember, there's 50% off the VIP Discord at the moment. So that was the first trade. The second one was Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And I was already in this. I didn't enter again yesterday because it was, obviously the Canadian dollar interest rate decision as well. But let's see why we were trying to short it. So price was in a downtrend. Okay, again, what I show you guys isn't rocket science, all right? I'm just looking at structure, and this was in a downtrend. Yeah, we've got lower lows, lower highs, all right? And this area here was a weekly resistance level as well. Okay, and then I look at structure, yeah. I also look at the moving average 20, and you can see we were below the moving average 20. I also look at candles, yeah. Bearish, indecision, bearish wicks, bearish, yeah. you could see sellers were taking control of this market. You see this side, guys, buyers, buyers are in control, still in control, yeah? And then buyers have slowly taken. If I put a line down this chart, here are buyers, from here are buyers, and here are sellers. You can clearly see that difference, guys. So look at the candlesticks, and that told me to sell this as well. And the idea was to come back down to this blue line, which didn't quite happen, but let's take a look. So if we look at the H4, guys, and again, we had this was really a catalyst for selling as well. This H4 candle that broke these lows, yeah, and this low here. And then we was looking for price to come into our grey zone, get a bearish reaction, which we did. And take price lower, but then news came out, and news started flying down first of all, but then when I saw this wick come back up, I basically closed my trade here. All right, and I was in this trade from over here. Okay, so yeah, it was a good sell trade, but then once you see a bullish candle like this, once news has, finished, it's telling us there's a lot of buyers down here. So I don't want to keep trying to push this down. I don't want to push my luck. So as soon as I see a candle like this, I'll aim to get out of this trade. But eventually we closed with not as much profit as we had hoped. The target was down here, but we still closed in profit, guys. And that was Canadian dollar, Japanese yen from yesterday as well. So those were the two trade ideas from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's trade ideas, yesterday's analysis, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel right now. I give you my trade ideas every day. Come join us. Also, smash the notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, yeah? It really helps support the channel and the vid. Right, guys, so trades for Thursday. Before I do, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free, yeah? So come join it. Why haven't you already? Yeah, we've got traders in there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got indicators, useful links, books, loads of cool things. It's all free. Come join it, guys. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen, like the euro pound from yesterday. I give you exclusive content every single week. We have other expert traders sharing their trade ideas, and we have access to a performance coach should you need it, guys. So there's loads of value in the VIP Discord. And I don't know if I've mentioned it, but because we have hit 5,000 subs, woohoo, we have to do a little woohoo every time I mention 5,000 subs. We are going to give anyone who wants it 50% off our yearly VIP Discord, guys. So that's 50% off our yearly VIP Discord because we've hit 5,000 subs, and want to thank everyone for all of your support. So if you're interested, guys, check it out. Join the free Discord first, and then you can go get the VIP for 50% off. What else do? We also do the mentorship program. So if you would like to learn how to read the charts like I do, then you can drop me an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. The email is in the video description. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support and, for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. Yeah, we've got supporter and gold. Each tier has its own perks, and you can support the channel, guys. So check that out as well. And don't forget the live stream today, 8 AM New York EST time. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. 5,000 subs. Woohoo! Right, guys, trades for Thursday, the 26th of October. The first one is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. If we just quickly look at the weekly chart. Yeah, you can see my blue line is the target. This is quite conservative, all right? But obviously, you know, this could potentially be a target all the way down here. But it's not going to happen today. You know, this could take a few weeks, months, who knows, may never hit there. Okay, so my target is basically the next psychological level. And by psychological level, I like 50s and 00s as targets. And as you can see, this is 5750. All right, so that's the target I'm going to go for. Okay, but I'll still leave some to run if it hits the target. All right, so I just wanted to show you that on the weekly. If we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, you know, we're clearly breaking down. Okay, you can see that price has used this area here and it's just absolutely flown off that zone. Okay, breaking these lows. All right, so that this candle, yesterday's candle, is a continuation of trend. It has broken, the body of this candle has broken the lows of the previous candles. All right, continuation pattern. And like I say, we're going to try and take it down to this blue line. If we drop down to the H4 now, as you know by now, I do like a retrace, and so should everyone, because a retrace means you're getting it cheaper. Yeah, you're getting it at a better price. So what do I want to see, guys? Yeah, you know, because of the strength of that daily candle, it might not retrace, and that's fine. I won't get into the trade. Yeah, it might just carry on doing this. Okay, but what I need to see, guys, is a retrace, and I'd like to see a retrace into this grey zone, because you can see price has reacted here before. Yeah, perhaps the moving average 20 comes around nicely. We get a bearish reaction in here, and then we can start selling New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. Whether we get the retrace or not, nobody knows, but that's what I need to see to enter. That's my criteria. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we're looking to short that pair for these reasons. And the other trade today is the NASDAQ. Okay, so this is just, I mean, if you look at the weekly chart, obviously this weekly candle hasn't finished forming yet. So we do need to be aware of that. If this, by Friday, if this weekly candle shows a wick like this, you know, and closes back in, we want to get out of our shorts. All right, simple as that. But as it stands now, you know, price is coming plummeting down. We go to the day chart now. We've also had a daily break. If I zoom out, you can clearly see these lows here were all broken with yesterday's candle. Okay, so, you know, we've had so reasons to take a trade, yeah? Structure, yeah, we are in a downtrend, okay? Support resistance, we have broken an important area of support. Tick, 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 tick. Candlesticks, we have a very bearish candlestick. Look at that. Tick, yeah? Do we have value? Probably not at the moment, yeah? So we need a retrace, and then we can take it. In here, we have value, and then that will tick all of my boxes, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so structure, support and resistance, candlesticks, value. Again, guys, I say it time and time again, it's not rocket science. The chart tells you what to do. Just follow what the chart tells you. Yeah, so that's where we are. That's why we're taking this trade. If we drop down to the H4 now, again, I need a retrace. Similar scenario to New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, you know, prices come hurtling down. Okay, but there's no value here. I don't want to sell here. Yeah, you put your stop up here if you're selling there. Yeah, so what do I need to see? I need to see a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, again, the moving average 20 comes round as well. This will be a nice entry. Get a bearish reaction, we can start selling the NASDAQ, guys. All right, so they're my two trade ideas for today. There's also some trades I'm looking, but we've almost missed them. So the first one is Euro, Aussie dollar. And before I show you these guys, if I could ask everyone to subscribe to the channel right now, yeah, we'd love to have you. Also, smash the like button, guys. Really helps support the vid. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. All of the information is in the VIP description. And we giving 50% off our yearly VIP Discord because we have hit 5,000 subs, and I don't think I've mentioned it. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, let me just show. So Euro, Aussie dollar. Yeah, you know, by the time I've woken up, this was the move from yesterday. I did mention this yesterday that we like this level. Yeah, and then but look, price is here. And really, the target's there. So, you know, unless we get a drastic pullback, and then we can come up. But yeah, you know, it's the same with Euro, Aussie dollar, Euro, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, you know, we sort of missed the move, guys. Really, pound, Aussie dollar was another one. Yeah, perhaps this has a little bit more room. And pound, New Zealand. Yeah, those Aussie dollar and New Zealand pairs are really weak compared with euro and pound. So yeah, those are my trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday the 26th of October, guys. Between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. London GMT, hold on to your hats. Yeah, there's so much important data coming out, guys. All right, itchy nose. So first of all, yeah, 1:15 London GMT, we have got the interest rate decision of the ECB and everything that goes with that. You know, the monetary policy, marginal lending, deposit facility rate, you know, all of these are big news, guys. So this is obviously going to move the euro. Yeah, you don't need me to tell you that. So that's all coming out at 1:15. 15 minutes later, we've then got a load of US dollar news. So imagine the euro US dollar at this point. It's just going to be going buck wild crazy. So 1:30 London GMT, we've got core durable goods, we've got the GDP, you know, and we got initial jobless claims all coming out of the US at 1:30, guys. Again, big news, especially the GDP, yeah? Big news coming out there. And then, if that wasn't enough, 15 minutes after that, we've then got the ECB press conference, which for me is just, if not more volatile than the actual interest rate data decision. Yeah, because this is where, you know, the policymakers are talking about how they arrived at the interest rate decision for the euro. So this press conference makes things crazy volatile as well. Must be aware of that. So yeah, that between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. is crazy hour. You know, stay away from euro pairs, US dollar pairs. After that, guys, 3 o'clock, London GMT, we've got pending home sales coming out of the US. And after that, guys, nothing else to worry about. So yeah, big news day today, guys. You know, tread lightly. Have a great trading day. Don't forget to join me for the live stream where we will look at the reaction of the interest rate decision. I'll see you then, guys.